Hello everyone, myself Pradeep Gorde, and recently I work on one case study that is Invoice Approval System. Okay, so first of all, I like to show the this case study. The case study start with like employee will submit one Google form. In that Google form, he will upload invoices and PO. Okay, also he mentioned the department. Okay, then once we submit this Google form with this detail, it will be directly go to the HOD HOD dashboard. It will be give to the respected HOD dashboard. Like sometimes we have different department in our organization. So if he fill for this department, then this invoice like this transaction will uh, pending with this respected HOD. Okay, so then it will be in HOD dashboard. Once he will verify like budget, invoice and PO. Okay, then if uh, if this invoice and PO not matches or something issue in that, then he will be rejected. If he reject this transaction, it will be again move to the employee dashboard. Okay, if not, then it will be approved. If he approved, then it will be moved to the CO approval. Okay, then like if he rejected, and it will be moved to the employee dashboard. If HOD rejected this transaction, and it will be again moved to the employee. Employee can edit this. Only employee have permission to edit. Okay, others don't have. Oh, like HOD CO account, it will be just check, verify, it's approve or reject. Again, CO. If we move to the CO dashboard, if HOD will approve this invoice, okay, transactions, and it will be now pending at the CO dashboard. Then CEO will check the strategy and whatever. Then he will be rejected or approved. If he rejected, it will be moved to the HOD. If he approved, then it will be moved to the accountant department. After in the last, account will check everything and he will update the payment status, and our invoice will be ended. Like our invoice will be completed and our task will be the ended. Now we will see how I have created this invoice approval system. So see, this is a form response sheet. Okay, and one is EMP sheet, like employee sheet. In this form responses sheet, what I am doing, like we are collecting invoices. Okay, in this form, if I have more number of employee, we can see here I have more number of employee. Like I have HOD. I have this three HOD. Okay, I make this four in color. I have this three. This is also a mechanical HOD one, and CO and accountant. Okay, so what I am doing here, uh, HOD and CO uh, will not submit this form. Okay, uh, like I am here dropping this EMP IDs. Okay, the EMP IDs is coming from this column A. Okay, here only come like assistant, CNC operator, supervisor, like HOD, CO, and accountant. This will be not show here in this AMP ID, because this will not uh, like HOD, CO, and accountant will not uh, fill this invoice form. Okay, only the other employees like assistants, electricians, or other employees are uh, filling this invoice form. Okay, now you can see here only this employee ID are shown. Okay, first, second, third, 4, 8, 10, 11, 12, and 16. Like sometime if one employee will be added. Okay, like we will see one employee will be added, EMP 17. Like I am giving a name like Sam. Sam Jost. Okay, like he is a assistant. Okay, and his department is like HR. Okay, and his email is sam12@gmail.com. Okay, now 1234 is password. Okay, I am given same password. Now I want this assistant will be come here in EMP IDs. Okay, so what I am doing, I am just running this, like I am just editing this. If I uh, select this yes in this update function, it one function will run like this is on edit, like I am triggering this function on edit. If I make this yes, okay, if I make this yes, then what happening now, it will become again no, because why, now it will be updated in my invoice form and again it will be no. Okay, so now you will see, just I am refreshing this. Once I refresh this, now you will see the employee 70 will be update here. Okay, employee 17 will be updated here. Now like see, once I submitted this form, okay, then this transaction will be come here. Okay, come here means here will be timestamp, here will be employee ID, like who will fill this transaction. Okay, then email ID, then selected department. Also department will be selected by, also department will be like selected in this HR, electric, mechanical and production. This department I have, this will be selected, then drop down, then add invoices. It will be like I am uploading from the system, add PO also updating from the system. Okay, then transaction ID it will be generated. Okay, I have create one function on submit. When my form will be submitted, then one function I am running, that like I am triggering one function on submit. When I will submit this form, then it will be sub, run. Okay, then it will create one transaction ID. Then once employee will submit, then it will be show status like pending at the HOD dashboard. Okay, then like this we will see how our system will work then. Okay, like currently here I have EMP3, EMP11, EMP8. Okay, now I am again I am submitting one form for EMP3. Okay, like I am giving here like POD at gmail.com. Okay, now we'll see here, like I'm selecting for electric department. Okay, and I'm adding some invoices, like I am adding something, image or PDF can be, no issue. I am handling both, like email or PDF also. Like see, I'm okay. I'm taking this one image. Mm, I'm adding this one image. Okay, now for add PO, to the add PO, I'm adding this one image. Okay, so here from here, employee can be add invoice and add PO. Okay, now I am submitting this. Okay, now I am submitting this form, Google form. Once I will submit this Google form, we will check here. Now just in a second, we will get this entry. Like we will see EMP3 from the like EMP3 employee 3 will update, like submit their form for respected electric department. Okay, and these images like invoices we will add, like one invoice, one PO, then it will be transaction ID. It will be generated by unique one. Then it's now is showing the status is pending at HOD. Okay. Now we will see how the dashboard will work. Okay. So we will move to the app script now. This is my complete app script. Like here in GS, I am writing a app script like server side. In the index HTML, I am creating a like I'm creating pages, HTML pages here. In CSS, in the CSS, I'm giving a styling, like it's styling purpose CSS. And in JS HTML is a server's front side. It will be UI side, JavaScript. Okay. So now see, I'm just launching this one. Okay. Now what will be happen? If I log in for EMP3, then it will be show the data respected employee only, like EMP3 only. Okay. Now see, if I am EMP3, the password 1234. Okay. See here. Now it's showing like transaction 001, transaction 004. It's will be like electric department, like it's a EMP login. Okay, it's EMP login, and I'm showing here welcome to Invoice Apple Dashboard. Also employee name will be show here. Okay, then what I'm doing here, like this is transaction ID, this is department. Okay, and we want click here also. Okay, now what I'm doing, it's currently status is pending at, this is status is pending at accountant department, and this is at pending at HOD department. Okay, so from the here I can see the like photos, images, whatever, like our invoices PO we can see from there. Okay, yeah. Then what I'm doing, I'm opening the HOD dashboard. Okay, now what was the HOD like for this electric department? We will see what was the HOD for the electric department is a EMP6 ID, and then password is 1234. Okay, so I'm opening for the HOD EMP6 1234. Now we will see this is a transaction ID 04. It's a electric department. It's a HOD login now. Okay, and now it's showing for pending at HOD. Okay, now what I am doing, you will see in the form responses there are two, one for production, one like EMP11 will add, this is this entry for the production department, and it's also pending at HOD. Also, like we have three transactions are pending at HOD, but now I am only login for electric department HOD. So here showing the only HOD who have like showing the entry which is related to electric department. Okay, because it's a electric HOD login. Currently it's a electric department login. Okay, now what will be HOD can action like perform action here. Like if I click on this row, HOD can remark something like no budget or something. Okay, no budget. Okay, and if he rejected this, if he rejected this transaction 04. Okay, now see it's a invoice rejected, and this will be moved to the employee dashboard again. Okay, now see if I am logged to the employee dashboard. If I log into employee dashboard, it will be like rejected by HOD. Okay, it's coming this transaction 004. is now showing like rejected by HOD, no budget. Okay. Now we will see here. If I click on this row now, then it will be open this form. Okay. But if I click here, it will not open. Okay. Only employee will perform action only when it's rejected by HOD. If it will be pending at HOD or pending at CO, pending at accountant, like status is different, then he will be change or he won't be edit. He won't only be edit when it's rejected by HOD. Okay. Now, you will again submit this. Now I am adding other file like invoice. I am adding other invoices like now what I am doing. I am adding other PDF now. Okay. First, in the last time we will add two images. Now I am adding any other PDF. Okay. Let's see any PDF I have. Okay, this PDF I am adding. Okay, this PDF I am adding. And I am giving uh, adding invoice. Okay, and I am submitting this one. Okay, it's a invoice. Now what I am giving here, like I am getting the messages invoice submitted to HOD. Now see it's now this transaction will be what is the status? Status will be changed to pending at HOD. Okay, and what is the employee remark is adding invoices. Now if I log out and log in from the HOD, log in from the HOD. Okay, now see here. Now I am this is the last image and I am changing these invoices. Now we will see this is a PDF. Okay, this PDF is also showing here. We can open in this different tag also. Okay, now I am approving this one. Okay, now I am approving. Okay, good. Like I am giving a remark as a good. Okay, and I am approving this one. If I approve, it's showing the invoice is submitted and it will be moved to the CO login. Okay, now I am logged out from the HOD login and I am moving to the CO. Like CO is a EMP14. CO ID is EMP14. Now I am coming at EMP14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Login. Now we will see pending at CO. What is the status pending at CO? Only our transaction ID 004. If CO will reject this, it will be again moved to HOD. We will see that one rejected and reject. Okay. If CO will reject the transaction ID, invoice rejected, and it will be moved to where HOD login. It's removed from CO login. Now we will see in the HOD login. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is rejected by CEO. Now the status is what rejected by CEO. Then again, if again if HOD will approve this, he will remark like something remark he is given. Okay, something and approve. Now it will be invoice submitted and move to the CO login. Okay. Now what is the status? Current status is pending at CEO now. Now in the CO login, it's approved. It's approved. Final. Approved final and as approved by CEO. Okay. Then it will be moved to the accountant. Okay. It will be now it will be removed from here and moved to the accountant dashboard. Okay. Now what was the accountant login? The accountant login is EMP15. Now we will see in the accountant. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the account on login, we will see we have two transactions which will be like pending at the accountant. What is the status? Pending at accountant, pending at accountant. Okay. Now this transaction 4 we will just like here the remark will also change. AMP remark, HOD remark and CO remark. Now what I am doing, I am if like some rejected by accountant remark for the transaction 004. Accountant will reject this invoice rejected by account, like remark is rejected by account and reject. Then it will be moved to the CO login. Okay. It will be moved to the now CO login. Okay. Now see if I log in for the CO again. Then we will see here rejected by accountant. Okay. And if final approve, if CO will give the final approve and now it will be moved to the accountant department. Okay. Now if I log in for accountant, now I am logging for the accountant and accountant will like accountant will complete its payment procedure and updating payment procedure like payment mode is NEFT and done. Okay, done. So he will be submitted or approved. Like submitted or approved. Accountant will be done this one. Like invoice is submitted. Okay. Then see now what was the status of this transaction. Like it's a completed. Now everything has completed. Transaction 4 is completed. Adding invoices like payment mode is also coming here in EFT. Now see if I click at pending accountant, it will be showing this form. But if I clicking on this complete, it will be not click because now this invoice transaction has completed. Okay. If now I log in for EMP employee, who employee have had this transaction, like who have done this invoices, it will be also show the status like transaction 1, like electric department, like employee 3. Okay, I am logging for employee 3. Employee 3 have add only two, like he will only submit two invoice form. One is transaction 001, other is transaction 004. Okay. And the transaction one is current status is pending at accountant. Okay. And transaction 4 status is completed. Then this is also not be clickable. This is also not be clickable. Okay. That is the my invoice approval system procedure. Okay. And thank you.